How to give access to Google Drive. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to open Google Drive on your mobile or desktop, that whatever you want to use. Some of us you want to use desktop and some of us prefer mobile. So whatever platform you are using, it's just the same. Then you have to select the document that you want to send, and then you have to click on these three dots that are located up above. Then down here you will have another scroll down, and over here you will have an option of share. As you click on share, it will ask you that whom you want to share. Now over on the access option, you have an access option down below. If you click on the access option, now over here you will have see that it is restricted. Now you have change it, and anyone with the link, as it is changed to anyone with the link. Now you will be able to give access to the person, any person who have this link. You can also do it by sending them the link, and then they will ask you the permission in the Google Drive. Then you can click on accept and you can accept their invitation. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.